Ideas for house on the waterfront. The dream house of many people. A waterfront home is a dream home for many people. Because this is a house close to nature. Feel the atmosphere of the river at any time. Wake up early and you can watch the sunrise. In the evening, watch the sunset. Listen to the sound of the waves, the sound of the wind, and feel the cool breeze of the water. These atmospheres create a feeling of relaxation and lightness. Forget for a moment about tiredness from work. The idea of the house on the embankment. The design of the house on the waterfront can be done in many different styles. It depends on each person's preferences and budget. In general, houses by the river focus on designing a house as close to the water as possible. To be able to see the river clearly. The exterior design of the house can use materials that correspond to the atmosphere of the embankment, for example, wood, stone, cement, etc. to make the house look harmonious with nature. In addition to designing beautiful houses and waterfront gardens, you can also take advantage of the waterfront, for example, create a small pier for mooring private boats, making a water ladder to go down to play in the water or exercise, production of floating rafts for sitting and resting, etc.